Hey, what's up, you guys? Hey, everyone.
Yes, I'm doing this. And yes, I shaved my face again.
He's shy, everyone, so. Hi, Allie. Keep coming in, y'all. Make sure you're sharing this video, all that fun stuff. Make sure you're commenting so I know you're here. We're going to kind of treat this like a Q&A also, so send your questions below. They can be like marriage questions, whatever. I have all of our unique products here, so I'm just going to slap a bunch of it on his face.
It's going to be a train wreck.
So normally, if I was doing makeup for Real and not for Play, I'd be like, okay, so what are we doing on you today? But knowing you, you'd be like, lime green everything! And I'm like, no, wait, we're not doing that, okay, boy? We're doing neutral, but we're gonna get it glammed up in here. I'm gonna stand up.
Whoa.
Just cause this is better for me. Are you getting washed out?
Yes.
Hi, Sally. Sorry, guys. Sorry. Okay, so I'm going to use our Victorious Splurge Cream Shadow. This you can get in our Kudos this month. This is a matte. It's got no shimmer, and it's just a skin tone shade. And I'm using the Morphe M167 to apply. Hi, Dana. Just going to apply that on the lids. And he's super excited. He's not, heavy breathing or, having any anxiety at all. I'm going to use our pressed powder foundation in Scarlet. This base. And he's going to get powder everywhere, but it's okay. You're okay, I promise. So we got to start in the crease. I'm going to go in Facebook. I don't have time for this. Okay, I'm going to go into Arrogant from Palette 4. It's like a camel medium brown kind of situation. Hi, Aunt Vicky. Yeah, I have Charter, Abby. It sucks. There's nothing I can do about it. And I'm going to go in with the Morphe M504, just a fluffy brush. I'm going to work that into Mike's crease. Just put it on. Windshield wiper, circular motion. These are super pigmented, and I just realized that, so that's cool. I'm just buffing that on the crease. I'm going to go into palette 1 and take Chipper. Right there. It's a medium. Sorry, guys. And I'm going to take a smaller brush and work that in the crease as well. This is the Sigma E25. Okay. I think we should go in with one of our single shadows. What are you doing? Are you getting into trouble over here?
Nothing, I'm just...
Sorry. Sorry, guys. Sorry again. Alright, I'm going to go into one of our pressed singles. You can't really see it. This is... I can't remember because I don't have the labels on them. But it's like a champagne shimmer.
Did you make it yourself? Or is it
the stickers aren't on the bottom,
Oh.
so... I promise you it's unique. Okay, so we got a really nice neutral smoky eye going on right now. I can't. Oh, honey, I can't. Right now. We should probably put some wings on Mike. What do you guys think? You look beautiful! Hey! Sorry, guys. So I'm gonna use our Dip and Draw eyeliner, and this is in the shade Perfect. What are you doing?
Ooh, you can really see it if I do that.
So we're using Perfect Dip and Draw liner. It's a liquid liner with a felt tip pen. And I just took a lot of the excess off. I'm gonna have you tilt way back. There we go. Pray for me. Bad. It's a very little baby wing. Hi, Paige. There's one. Hi, Erica.
There, now I can see it.
Oh my god. Looking cute. Okay, Mike. Alright. Fix this one.
It really feels like you're drawing on my eyeball. It's definitely a weird feeling.
It's so fun, though. Who doesn't love a good wing, right? Shall do. Okay. If I missed any comments, I'm so sorry. I'm busy. Close your eyes so they can see him. Oh! Girl! Okay. He says, I'm on my way to steal your man. Next thing we want to do is mascara. Now, I don't want to use my Epic mascara on him because there's sanitary reasons for that. I can easily get a new liner What are you doing? Focus. Use CoverGirl Clump Crusher Water Resistant. This is my client. Look down. Don't close your eyes. There you go. Perfect. Perfecto. Oh, you're not ready for these. Oh. Thanks, Paige. Oh. Okay. So while the mascara is drying and all that fun stuff, I like to move on to the face. So that's what I'm gonna do. Might be just easier if I just sit.
It actually
Maybe
looks
the phone
like,
will behave.
with the fact that my eyes are purple right here, it actually looks like it's almost done.
It looks so good. Okay. Oh, hey, Ghost. What is this? Okay. I'm gonna go in with our Touch Glorious Face Primer. I have little to none left. It might be time to get some more. You let that sit in for a second. And then we're gonna go in with foundation. So we're gonna go in with the cream foundation in Organza. This is technically not Mike's shade. Whoa! Hello, Ghost. Okay. This is not Mike's shade, but I don't have a shade for him from Unique.
She doesn't have shade either red or pale white.
Mike's Irish.
That doesn't exist.
I'm gonna go in with this BH Cosmetics brush. It's just like a synthetic kabuki brush. Yes, I'm aware. Can I help you? Mm-hmm. All right, and I'm just gonna go in. You can keep your eyes open. This is the face part. This is full ass coverage. We want a full face beat because Mike's going out. Look at that. Ayo! Alrighty, what are you doing?
Jeez, once I get some concealer under those eyes, look like
we gonna be looking fun with our Skin Perfecting Concealer and Scarlet.
I can feel it a little up here.
Yep.
Like
it's makeup.
a little burn.
Deal with it. I'm gonna apply the concealer under his eyes. I'm gonna have you look all the way up to the ceiling like that. There we go. Perfect. Hey. This is full coverage concealer. So, don't use too much.
Good God.
Okay, so then immediately after concealer, I have to go in and bake it. So, just, you don't have to look all the way up if it's uncomfortable, but. These are obviously not Mike's shades, and it is what it is. I'm doing his makeup, it's fun. So, if anybody wants to come at me and tell me that it's not his shade, fight me. Okay. Since he's so dry, I'm gonna take the Beauty Blender and it's not our, but Gerard Cosmetics Slay All Day. I'm gonna get it real damp. Keep your eyes open, please. Very good. Very good. That kind of helps kind of melt the powder into the face so it's not so, you know. Okay, now I'm gonna fill in his brows.
Oh gosh.
I'm not gonna lie, you guys, I'm not the best at brows. I'm gonna take our Brow Obsession palette. I'm gonna take this lighter shade with the Anastasia 7 brush. And again, I just follow their natural shape. There you go. Ooh, who are you fighting? Look up again. Yeah, gotta even it out. Come for me, bitch. Ayo. Alright, so for bronzer, I'm going to use our Beachfront bronzer in Sunset. It's our lightest shade. And this is just a BH Cosmetics angled brush. I can't really see too well on this side because there's not that much light, but I got a general idea of where your cheekbone is. Okay. Okay. You don't have to do that.
No, but that's what everybody does, doesn't it?
Well, yeah. Not all the time, though. I can't. Okay.
Oh.
And then,
Oh. There we go. There we go.
Ooh, girl! He is ready.
Oh.
What did you do? Alright, then I'm gonna go in with a limited edition blush. This is, what do they call this? Moodstruck Powder Blush in Serene. It's like NARS Orgasm. Kind of the same shade. I'm sorry. You've got powder all over. Relax your face. He's like... This already has shimmer in it, but we're gonna add highlight. Just so you know. You fight it. Okay. So we're gonna use Touch a la Mode Pressed Powder Luminizer in with a Sigma F35. Turn this way. Guys, ready for this? Ooh. Yes. I love putting highlight on clients. I feel like it's even more intense. He's feeling it. Look at that.
There she is.
Woo! 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 We'll be back in just a second. Mike's gonna just, you know.
It's like Lightning McQueen. Ka-chow.
That's one slightly open. Like, there you go. Perfect. Looking good so far. Hey, Blue.
Ooh, that's terrifying having two separate colors.
Like you made out with a Smurf. Hey. Oh my god. Hey, who you fighting?
Oh, it's gonna
Subscribe.
It's gonna be on my teeth.
Get up there so they can see it. That Superstitious Splash Liquid Lipstick available now. I am dying. So show everybody the final look. What do you think, client?
Damn.
So stay tuned tomorrow for another live video, Live-Vember, and you guys have a great night.
Bye, everybody.
Bye.